My name is Eric Mazariegos from the Orientation Center for the Blind, and I just wanted to say Kidpower does a lot of great things, empowers people, and I learned a lot from their self-defense course today, and I would recommend it to everybody.
I want to say thank you as well. I started off saying that I wanted to try to find my voice again, and I think I did.
Well, this for me is a good experience. I learned a lot how to defend myself or avoid any problem with this program, which is a real good program for people blind.
Pretty soon, when we leave OCD, we're going to be out in the real world. And I know it's rare when things like happen to us, like when the people are calling you bad words and threatening you all this, but you know, it's better to learn it now so we can know what to do when this happens.